Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix this problem, this error which says huge SEO issue. You are blocking access to robots. If you want search engines to show this site in the results, you must go to your reading settings and uncheck the box for search engine visibility. I don't want this issue to show this search engine results. Okay, so now we have an issue here whereby our site cannot be crawled by by robots. So simply means it can affect us because we did also apply for AdSense and they did reject the site. That could be one of the reasons, because the site can't go to search engines and stuff. So AdSense, your application status. Thank you for your interest in AdSense. After reviewing your application, our specialists have found that it does not meet our program criteria. Okay, therefore we are unable to accept you in our program. Okay, our AdSense program policies are designed to ensure that effectiveness of our Google Ads for our publishers as well for our advertisers. We review whatever all publishers are. Okay, please note that we may not be able to respond to inquiries regarding the specific reasons for our decision. Thank you for your understanding. Okay, you can see they say you may reapply for AdSense in future. Okay, they say if you are able to make changes to meet our program. Okay, then they say we are reviewing all publishers and whatever. So if you are able to make changes, then they're gonna do what? They're gonna do what? They're gonna accept us again if we can do changes. What could be the causes? So look, small things like this could make a problem for you, because even robots cannot come to your site to do whatever they have to do. So now this is the issue we came to fix today, and it's very easy to fix. What do? You're gonna just click here. Let me go back here to see the message. I wanna copy the message, I'm sorry. Okay, you can click here and say you untick this one, discover search engines from indexing this. Discourage. If you discourage, not discover, I'm sorry, discourage. If you discourage, then it's a problem. Your theme, whatever, how to play the browser, whatever. Okay, so you only uncheck this, then you make changes, then you're gonna be fine. So we're gonna go back and see what is going on here. You can go to dashboard. Okay, we don't see that anymore. You can see. Do you see it anymore? No, we don't see that anymore. So since we don't see that anymore, then it's okay for us to do other things. So now since we have that, if you could not click that, there's another way to do it. You go to settings, anyone can register, subscriber. Okay, then you can go to this. Okay, there's somewhere else we can find it, but if we didn't find it, it's not that. Okay, writing. Okay, standard policies and all that. Okay, let me see. Reading. Okay, your list is post and whatever. Okay, when you click on reading, that's where we're gonna find that you can disable that. So don't take it for granted. You might lose out on many things, you get me? So you have to click on each and everything after under reading, author, whatever, fill out, whatever. Okay, you can see this, attempt to notify any blogging, whatever thing stuff. Okay, you can see all of these things. Also, you have to deal with them because they might affect you somehow. Default posts. Okay, attempt to notify a blogger linking from. Okay, allow link notification to other bloggers. Okay, allow people submit comments to on a new whatever. Comment author must fill out name and email. Okay, you must register blog. You must be registered and log in to comment. Okay, you can select many things. Okay, automatically close comments on posts older than 14 days. If you want to do that, you can, but if you want not to do that, maybe you can put it to, if you want maybe 10 years or whatever you want. Let me put to 10,000 or 1 million something. Okay, but we didn't tick, so if you didn't tick, it won't affect us anything, whatever you do there. Okay, you can see enable thread nested comments if you want to break comments into pages, if you want comment whatever. So all these things can, anyone posts a comment, you get me, all these things can be considered as things which can affect you. Comment must be manually approved. So this is very good because this are gonna help you on spam, you get me. So up until you insert in the spam site which can help you spam what they call spam plugins which can help you to fix that. So after that you have to scroll down and save changes, you get me. So after saving changes, that is super good. Yeah, so I hope that guys helps, and I don't think we have a lot of things to do after that, only that can help you. Also, you can find that in your Yoast plugin there could be some things talking about the robots where you have to do that. So integrations, you get me. So I don't see anything more here, but webmaster tools, Baidu verification, Bing verification, Google verification code. You can put Google verification code if you have. Okay, you can put Yandex if you have. You can put whatever, all of this if you have some of them. So put them also there, then you save changes. So this is gonna make your site to look proper and to be qualifying for many things. Like this site is not that old. Also, you have to go to I think home and see comments. So when you go to comments, there are gonna be some comments here. Okay, some comments, if you can see that they are spam stuff, then you can okay, if you have some spams, you can check if you have spam. Okay, failed attempt 24 years. Okay, this is I think a plugin we put in for cyber quick review. Okay, it can help you on spam. That's a very good whatever. So you can see posts without focus keywords. Like this post, you have to play with it. Oh, this is the hello world, so you can put it in trash, you delete it because you don't need that. Okay, anyway, so there are many things you have to work on to see that your site is fully optimized, you get me, with all plugins, all whatever, so that Google, if you apply for the next time, they don't reject you. So they say if you're willing to make changes, then they're gonna help you to accept your website back, you get me. So let's go to categories. Okay, this is coding, we have only one, you can see. Okay, yeah guys, I think that's the end of our tutorial. You've seen how to delete that that issue, so we're fine now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any issue, please tell us. If you have any problem, tell us. We're gonna respond to you if we can fix it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.